Do you want to extract audio from a video file? We have just released a free, open-source audio extractor app that runs in your web browser, so no installation is needed. There are no ads and no registration is required. Because the app runs in your browser, anything you input, including the video file, is never uploaded to servers. It runs locally. You can even use it offline. No internet connection is needed. Under the hood, this app uses the WebAssembly version of the free, open-source and widely used FFmpeg application without modifying it. Essentially, it is a user-friendly wrapper around it. All you have to do is select the video file you want to extract the audio from. Supported formats include MP4, MKV, WebM, and MOV containers. The app can detect multiple audio tracks, up to 4. You can choose which track to extract. The extraction happens without re-encoding, so you get the audio in exactly the same quality as in the original video. Common audio formats are supported, such as MP3, AAC, OPUS, and more. The process usually takes just a few seconds. There is one important technical limitation at the time of recording. The largest video file the app can handle is about 1.8 gigabytes. This limitation comes from current web browser technology, not from the app itself. The app works best with Chromium-based browsers. If your video file is larger, you may need to reduce its size first or use a different tool. This is the third open-source application released by CasinoLove. You can find the source code on GitHub. The link to the app is in the video description. Let us know what you think, we would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you want to hear about the next free app we will release.